English for daily life.
Hi, how's it going?
Pretty good, thanks. You?
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
I'm Anna, nice to meet you, too.
How do you spell your name?
ANNA.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, just a few blocks away.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, I just arrived today.
How's your day so far?
Busy but good.
What time is it?
It's 3:30.
How old are you?
I'm 27.
Are you on social media?
Yes, I use Facebook and Instagram.
What do you do?
I'm an English teacher.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, one older brother.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
Are you married?
Not yet.
Do you have kids?
No, I don't.
What languages do you speak?
English.
What do you watch online?
English learning channels.
Do you like video games?
Not much, but sometimes.
What do you do to relax?
Take a walk and listen to podcasts.
Do you go out with friends often?
Once or twice a week.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, it's relaxing.
What's your dream hobby to try?
Photography.
What's your favorite food?
Bannock.
Can you cook well?
I can cook basic dishes.
Do you like spicy food?
A little bit.
What's your favorite fruit?
Mango.
Sweet or savory?
Savory.
Do you prefer eating at home or out?
At home on weekdays.
What's your go-to drink?
Iced coffee.
Any food allergies?
Shrimp.
Favorite dessert?
Chocolate cake.
Best restaurant nearby?
A noodle shop across the street.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, after 6 p.m.
Would you like to have dinner?
Sure, that sounds nice.
Want to grab coffee?
I'd love to.
Can we have lunch one day?
With pleasure.
Can I bring a friend?
Of course.
What are you doing this weekend?
Visiting my grandparents.
Where should we meet?
At the mall entrance.
What time works for you?
2 p.m. is perfect.
Should we book a table?
Yes, let's reserve for 4.
How's the weather today?
Sunny and warm.
Is it going to rain?
Maybe in the evening.
Do you like summer?
Yes, for the beach.
What's your favorite season?
Autumn.
Is it cold outside?
A bit chilly.
What's the temperature?
Around 28 degrees.
Should I bring a jacket?
Yes, just in case.
Is it humid today?
Very humid.
How's the air quality?
It's good today.
Any weather warnings?
No, all clear.
Do you use social media a lot?
About an hour a day.
What's your favorite app?
YouTube.
Do you prefer texting or calling?
Texting.
Can you send me the file?
Sure, I'll email it.
Is your Wi-Fi stable?
Yes, most of the time.
Do you back up your photos?
Yes, to the cloud.
What phone do you use?
An Android phone.
Do you edit videos?
Yes, with CapCut.
Do you shop online?
Often, for convenience.
How do you stay focused?
I turn off notifications.
Where do you study?
At a local college.
What's your major?
Computer science.
Why are you learning English?
It's important for work.
How do you practice speaking?
Shadowing and role plays.
Do you like your teachers?
Yes, they're helpful.
What's your favorite subject?
Math.
Do you study every day?
Yes, at least 30 minutes.
How do you memorize vocabulary?
Flashcards and sentences.
Do you have exams soon?
Next month.
Any study tips?
Short, consistent practice.
How can I get to the bus station?
Go straight, then turn left.
How long does it take?
About 20 minutes.
Is this seat taken?
No, go ahead.
Do I need to book in advance?
It's better to book online.
Train or plane?
I prefer the plane.
Window or LC?
Window, please.
What's the purpose of your trip?
Vacation.
Have you been abroad?
Yes, last year.
What do you do on trips?
Visit museums and try local food.
Any travel tips?
Pack light and carry water.
Are you feeling okay?
Just a slight headache.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't.
How long have you felt like this?
Since yesterday.
What are your symptoms?
Cough and sore throat.
Do you have allergies?
Yes, dust.
Can I make an appointment?
Sure, morning or afternoon.
How often do you see the dentist?
Twice a year.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I jog.
Do you sleep well?
Most nights, yes.
Do you take vitamins?
Yes, daily.
What time do you wake up?
Around 5:30 a.m.
How do you get to work?
I ride my motorbike.
What's your morning routine?
I stretch, shower, and have coffee.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Bread and eggs.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
Coffee in the morning.
What time do you start work?
At 8 a.m.
How long is your lunch break?
About an hour.
What do you do after work?
I cook dinner and read.
When do you go to bed?
Around 10:30 p.m.
How often do you exercise?
3 times a week.
What are your hobbies?
Reading and making short videos.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, badminton.
What kind of music do you like?
Pop and acoustic.
Do you play an instrument?
A little guitar.
Do you like your work?
Yes, it's meaningful.
What time do you start?
9 a.m.
Do you work from home?
Sometimes, yes.
What's challenging at work?
Tight deadlines.
How do you handle stress?
Plan and take short breaks.
Do you have meetings often?
Twice a week.
What tools do you use?
Email, spreadsheets, and Zoom.
Do you want to change careers?
Maybe in the future.
What's your dream job?
To run my own school.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Cats or dogs?
Dogs.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Books or movies?
Books.
City or countryside?
Countryside for weekends.
Early bird or night owl?
Early bird.
Save or spend?
Mostly save.
Work alone or in a team?
Teamwork.
Indoor or outdoor activities?
Outdoor.
Try new things or play safe?
Try new things.
What motivates you?
Helping people learn.
What are you grateful for?
My family and health.
What skill do you want to build?
Public speaking.
What habit are you working on?
Waking up early.
What's your biggest dream?
To travel the world.
What scares you?
Wasting time.
What does success mean to you?
Growth and kindness.
What's your life motto?
Keep learning, keep going.
What do you do when you fail?
Reflect, adjust, try again.
How do you want to be remembered?
As someone who inspired others.